Meaning of great universal stores.
Great universal stores.
Great universal stores.
Great universal stores.
Great universal stores. Great Universal Stores, GUS, was a British retail company founded in 1900, with roots dating back to the early 19th century. It was a conglomerate of various businesses, including mail-order retail, high street stores, financial services, and property management. GUS went through several changes over the years, expanding and divesting various divisions until it was ultimately acquired by Home Retail Group in 2006. At its peak, GUS was one of the largest retail companies in the UK and played a significant role in shaping the country's retail landscape.